Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Satrio. You can call me Tio. I am from Enrekang. I live in Daya. My major is Teknika level 1 and my friend introduce his name.
Introduce myself. My full name is Juandi. You can call me Wandi. I live in Makassar Street. I'm from Hindang. My major is Teknika level 1. Excuse me, could you tell me the way go to the marketplace?
Yes, of course. Go along the street, reach the intersection, then turn left, pass the statue, go for a little, then turn right. Go straight, keep going, and you will see the market in your right.
Thank you.
Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the market, please?
Yes. Go along straight, reach intersection, go to left, pass the statue, and go forward a little, and you turn right. Go straight. Keep going. You will see market in your right.